Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well and are safe. So in the last video you saw us getting the house renovated and a little bit of setting up and stuff. So we have finally come to the end of that. The house is set up, we've set everything. So let me give you a short tour of the house. So as you enter in, right in front is the drawing room or the sitting area. It is a very well furnished place. We have all the sofa and everything here. And we also have a TV over here in the front room which can be used. And apart from that, we also have some board games and a card game. So when you come here, if you don't want to go out or you can't go out, you want to do something at home, the board game is there for you. Do enjoy yourself. And apart from that, we also have some of my handmade candles kept over here. So if you want to buy these are on sale. If you want to buy it, you can contact the manager and he will let you know what you should do and how you can order these candles. Then coming to the next part, this is the dining area. You can see the dining table here. Again, the dining table has been set in a very nice way, and everything that you require is over here. And we also have a fridge which is in very good working condition, so you can utilize the fridge during your stay over here. Now moving forward, if you keep coming straight here, on the ground floor is the first room. So this is the first bedroom over here. And if you remember, we showed you some pictures of us getting the house painted. So this is the wall that we got painted with the green color, and after getting it painted, this is what it looks like. So we also have, I told you about all the shopping and stuff that I did. All these bed sheets and towels and pillow covers, everything was all the new shopping that I was able to do. Apart from that, these curtains are also there, new curtains that we got. And this room also has an AC, so if you're here in summers, do utilize the AC, you will really need it. So we have this table and chair over here also. If you're coming to work and you want to do any work, you can sit here and work. There are enough of plug points also, so you can use that as your charging point as well. Now moving forward, if you come straight out of the room, right in front is a washroom. This washroom is a common washroom, and it also has a separate unit for bathing, and this is again a separate unit. Now from the bathroom, if you move forward, you come into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. We did not get much done over here, just painting the wall and the cupboards. Otherwise everything is almost the same. But our kitchens have everything available, any appliances that you will need for cooking, the dishes, spoons, everything is available over here. So if you come and stay here, you will have everything available, and I'm sure you would not feel away from home. Now moving forward from here, so this is just an extra space that we got made, and we have the tank over here, and this is just an extra space, so we don't use it as much. And from here at this end, there is another door, and if you open this door leads out to the main gate. So this is all about the ground floor. Now let me show you the first floor. Another new thing that we got done, we found this verse in the Amazon, the stickers. So you can find a lot of stickers like this on Amazon if you check. So this is another new thing that we put over here so that this wall doesn't look empty. So coming up to the first floor, we have this small space over here. And on this side of the space, we have the washing machine and dustbin, a small sink, and an ironing board and table over here. So this is the second room. This room also is like the first room. Everything over here is furnished, and all these bed sheets also the same way we bought the ones down, bought from the same place. And this is the third room. This is the biggest room over here. And this room also same thing, everything is available over here. This is the only room that has an attached bathroom with it, so it has a separate bathing place as well. These are the stairs that go up right in front of both the rooms. These stairs go up to the roof. So this is the roof. This is the upper portion above the kitchen. From the roof you can see a lot of trees, a lot of greenery, and of course a lot of houses as well. But this is what the rest of the roof looks like. We didn't get anything much done because it was quite good. Just got the painting done on the roof. So in the evenings, if you just want to come for a walk, this is a very nice place to walk. If you want to stay alone, some quiet time, you can just come here and roam around and enjoy yourself. And when it rains also, it's really nice to be up on the roof. This is the road right in front of the house. So that's all for our house tour. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you must have got some tips. Till we meet again in the next video, keep spreading lots of joy and happiness. This is Arpita. Bye.